Good morning and welcome to Sherburne Public Library's Zoom Storytime with Mr. Mike. Everybody stand up. If you see the color red, just nod your head. If you see the color red, just nod your head. If you see the color red, just step up and nod your head. If you see the color red, just nod your head. If you see the color black, just hop right back. If you see the color black, just hop right back. If you see the color black, just step up and hop right back. If you see the color black, just hop right back. For this next one, yellow, we're gonna act like Jello. If you see the color yellow, act like Jello. If you see the color yellow, act like Jello. If you see the color yellow, just step up and act like Jello. If you see the color yellow, act like Jello. If you see the color blue, just stomp your shoe. If you see the color blue, just stomp your shoe. If you see the color blue, just step up and stomp your shoe. If you see the color blue, just stomp your shoe. If you see the color white, go fly a kite. If you see the color white, go fly a kite. If you see the color white, just step up and fly a kite. If you see the color white, go fly a kite. If you see the color pink, give a wink. If you see the color pink, give a wink. If you see the color pink, just step up and give a wink. If you see the color pink, give a wink. If you see the color brown, please sit down. If you see the color brown, please sit down. If you see the color brown, just be quiet and sit right down. If you see the color brown, sit right down. Good job. Next, we're going to hunt for colors. I need you to see if you can figure out which color I am talking about. Hunting for colors. The first I've seen was the grass in the yard. It was colored green. The second was a flower in the vase by my bed. A beautiful rose, and it was colored red. The third was the grapes. So good, I want to burple. So yummy and sweet, and they were colored purple. The fourth was the sun, so shiny and mellow, way up in the sky, and it was colored yellow. The fifth was a car, all shiny and new, with 4 round tires. It was colored blue. Well, if you haven't already figured out, today we are talking about different colors. And we're going to read a book called Dog's Colorful Day, a messy story about colors and counting by Emma Dodd. Dog's Colorful Day. This is Dog. As you can see, Dog is white with a 1 black spot on his left ear. What color is his spot? It's black. At breakfast time, Dog sits under the table as usual. Splat! A drip of red jam lands on his back. Now Dog has 2 spots, a black one and a red one. After breakfast, Dog runs outside. He slips past the man painting the front door. Swish! His tail dips into the blue paint. Now Dog has 3 spots. One, a black one, a red one, and a blue one on his tail. Dog runs to the park and rolls on the grass. Squash! The grass makes a green stain on his white coat. Now Dog has 4 spots. A black one, a red one, a green one, and a blue one. Dog follows a little boy eating chocolate. The boy gives Dog a chocolate pat, but no chocolate. Now Dog has 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this color is brown. Yeah, it's important that you do not give dogs chocolate. It makes them sick. A bee buzzes up to see what is going on. Swish! The bee drops yellow pollen as it flies by. Now Dog has 6 spots. What color is this one? Yellow. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spots. Dog trots on through the park. Splosh! A drop of pink ice cream lands on his right ear. Now Dog has 7 spots. What color is this one? It's pink. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time to go home. Dog runs up the street. Splash! A bouncing ball splatters Dog with gray mud. Now Dog has 8 spots. In front of the gate, Dog steps on a carton of orange juice. Splurt! A patch of orange appears on his leg. Now Dog has 9 spots. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dog races back inside the house and knocks right into Vicky. Silly Dog! Vicky's purple marker leaves a smudge on Dog's head. What color is that? It's purple. Now Dog has 10 spots. Let's count them. We've got numbers at the bottom. Vicky looks down at Dog. She counts his colorful spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looks more closely. Dog has a red spot of jam, a blue blob of paint, a green stain of grass, a brown smear of chocolate, a yellow patch of pollen, a pink drop of ice cream, a gray splatter of mud, an orange splash of juice, a purple smudge of ink, and of course, a black spot on his left ear. You need a bath, Dog. When dog climbs into bed, he has just one black spot on his left ear. Good night, dog. What a colorful day you've had. The end. And that's Dog's Colorful Day by Emma Dodd. So we're going to practice not just our colors, but our counting as well. First of all, what do we have here? We have apples. What color are the apples? They are red. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red apples. Would you try singing with me? 1 red, 2 red, 3 red apples, 4 red, 5 red, 6 red apples, 7 red, 8 red, 9 red apples, 10 big red apples. Good job. See if we can do that again. 1 red, 2 red, 3 red apples, 4 red, 5 red, 6 red apples, 7 red, 8 red, 9 red apples, 10 big red apples. Good job. Okay, so today our letter of the week is D. Sing the alphabet song with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So this is a capital D, and this is a lowercase d. Can you think of some words that begin with the letter D? Let's go look for the letter D. Let's go look for the letter D. Let's go look for the letter D. Way down yonder in the library. Picking up D's and putting them in our basket. Picking up D's and putting them in our basket. Picking up D's and putting them in our basket. Way down yonder in the library. Okay, here's one you might know. Deer. Deer begins with the letter D. Next we have not a whale, but a dolphin. Dolphin begins with the letter D. A donkey. D. D for desk. We should know this one. Dog. D begins dog. We use this to get into our house. A door. A duck. What sound does a duck make? Quack, 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 quack. Some people wear a dress. Begins with the letter D. What kind of bird is this? It's a dove. Oh, here might be a good one, favorite one. A dinosaur. A dinosaur. Now, if you come down to our library, you can find some books that begin with the letter D. And here's some new books that we've just got in. Here is Daddy by Leslie Patricelli. It's a fun book. Daddy tickles, Daddy sings, Daddy snuggles, everything. So this is all about being a daddy and all sorts of different daddies. Next, we've talked about this one a little bit before. Regina is not a little dinosaur. Begins with the letter D. Oh, here we've got the happiness of a dog with a ball in its mouth. Dog, D. Ooh, here's a brand new one. Do not let your dragon spread germs. Do begins with the letter D. Dragon begins with the letter D. Ooh, this one's called Diggersaurs Explore. Begins with the letter D. And we've got Dream Big Dreams about our President Barack Obama when he was in the president in the White House. He always told people to dream big dreams. Begins with the letter D. Okay, now our craft, we're going to start with the letter D. So if you come down, you'll get a bag that has several shapes in it, and it has the letter D. Okay. I'll have to hold it up here. Let's see if we can figure out what Mr. Mike is going to make with the letter D. We're going to start out with, what color is my letter D? Orange. Next, I have this rectangle. What color is it? Red. I'm going to place this red rectangle at the bottom of my D like this. Can you figure out what it's going to be? Not yet. Okay, now we've got this circle. What color is my circle? It's yellow. Yellow circle. I'm going to stick my yellow circle right here. Any ideas what I'm making with my letter D? Okay, let's see. Next, I'm going to add this circle. What color is this circle? It is black. I'm going to stick my black circle right here. Any idea what we're making with the letter D yet? Maybe. Let's see. Okay, next. This little piece of paper. It's colored pink. Pink. So I'm going to stick my pink piece of paper here. Any ideas what it might be yet? Okay. Next, I've got this circle with a black dot in the middle. What color is my circle? It's blue. I'm going to stick it right up here. Any ideas what I'm making yet with my letter D? One more thing. This hopefully will help you figure it out. I'm going to stick an ear on it. What color is my ear? Brown. Does it look like maybe it might be a dog? Begins with the letter D. That's what I'm trying to make. A dog with my orange D. He has a brown ear and blue eyes. I chose blue because my dog Kristoff has blue eyes, a black nose, a pink tongue. Somebody asked me yesterday, why is his tongue sticking out? Well, if you look at dogs, a lot of times their tongues are sticking out. And then the red is a collar with his little tag on it, a yellow tag. So that is my dog made from a D. And like I said, you can come down to the library and grab a craft kit and you can make your own dog with the letter D. Okay, so that brings me to the end of story time today. So it's time to sing Teddy Bear. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, show your shoe. Teddy bear, that will do. Teddy bear, reach up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, don't you sigh. Teddy bear, wave goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, and keep on reading.